Hello students, I am Mr. Mishra, math teacher of ALPM Public School, Golamaya, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already explained what is the algebraic expression, what is the polynomial, and what is the variable constant, and types of polynomial, monomial, binomial, and trinomial. And also, I have already explained that how add algebraic expression and how to separate algebraic expression. Today I will explain some question which is based on the addition, subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expression. So dear friends, first of all I will explain question number 1 of exercise 12.1. Question number 1 of exercise 11.1. Question is identify which are the following expressions of polynomials. Identify which expressions are polynomials. Which expressions are polynomials. Polynomials. Which expressions are polynomials? Expression is first of all x cube upon 3 minus 3x square upon 4 minus 3 by 2, and second is x cube upon 3y minus 3x square upon 4 minus 2 upon 5, and third is 2x to the power 7 minus root 7x plus 1, and fourth is 3 square root x cube minus 8. Dear friends, as you know, in the previous video I have already explained that algebraic expression in which power of variable is whole number, then that algebraic expression is called polynomial. Here in this algebraic expression, power of here variable is x. Here power of variable x is 3, and here power of variable is 2. So this is polynomial. This is polynomial. In second part, you see that here x cube upon 3y. Here variable is y is in denominator. So what is the, if you want to write power of y, then it can be expressed as in the form 1 upon 3 x cube y power minus 1. By law of student, power of y will be minus 1 minus 3x square upon 4 minus 2 upon 5. So dear students, as you see here, x and y, two variables, but power of y is minus 1, that is not whole number. y is -1, which is not whole number. So you know a right expression in his power of variable is whole number, that is called polynomial. So according to the definition of polynomial, this is not polynomial because power of y is -1. So this is not polynomial. Now third is power of, here variable is x, power of variable is 7, that is whole number, and here variable is x and power of variable x is 1, so this is polynomial. Now here we see that if you write this variable, power of variable, then it will be equal to the 3x cube to the power 1/2 minus 8. So it will be equal to the 3x to the power 3/2. 3 multiplied 1/2 will be equal to x power 3/2 minus 8. So this will be equal to the 3x power 3/2 minus 8. Here power of variable x is 3/2, which is not whole number. So this algebraic expression is not polynomial. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now next question, question number 2. Question number 2 of exercise 11.1. Question number 2 of exercise 11.1. Question is, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Following polynomials. Following polynomials. Following polynomials. Question is, first part is x cube minus 3x square plus 1 minus x, and second is xy square minus y cube plus y to the power 4 plus 6, and third part is p to the power 6 cube minus p to the power 5 q square plus 6 p to the power 4 2q minus 8pq square plus pq. We have to find out degree of each polynomial. Dear students, you know, I have already explained that highest power of variable in any polynomial is called degree of polynomial. So solution will be here in the first polynomial variable is only x and power of variable x is highest power of variable x is 3. So in this polynomial power of degree of power is 3. So degree of polynomial will be 3. Now in second polynomial is x square minus y cube plus y to the power 4 plus 6. In this polynomial, highest power of variable y is 4, so degree of polynomial will be 4. So here degree of polynomial will be 4. Now in third polynomial, we see that variable is p and q, and sum of two variables. Here power of these two variables is 7. Here power of these two variables is 7. Here power of these two variables is 7, and here is 2 plus 1 3. Here is 2. So dear student, as you see here, the highest power of sum of two variables is 7. So in third part, degree of polynomial will be 7. In third part, degree of polynomial will be 7 because 5 plus 2 7, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 3 7. This is highest power. So power of degree of polynomial will be 7. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you that how you can find degree of polynomial. Now next question. Next question number 3. Question number 3 is arrange each of the polynomials. Arrange each of the polynomials in ascending order of first variable. In ascending order of the first variable second in descending order of second variable in the descending order of the second variable first is x cube y square minus x to the power 4 y plus 3x square y cube minus 2xy. In the given question, we have to arrange ascending order of first variable. Here first variable is x cube, and we have to arrange first variable is x. So solution of first, here first variable is x, so we have to arrange this variable in the ascending power. So first of all, I will find less power of x. Here power of x is 1, so first of all I will write minus 2xy. Now here power of x is 2, therefore I will write plus 3x square y cube. After this I will write x cube y square plus x cube y square. After this I will write x power 4 y. Here this is arranged in the ascending order of the first variable. Now you have to arrange this polynomial in descending order of the second variable. Here second variable is y square. Therefore I will find where is power of highest variable. Here the highest power is 3. So I will write y cube 3 y cube x square. After this you see that power of y is 2 here, therefore I will write y square x cube. After this power of y is 1 here and also 1 is here. So I will write minus x minus y x power 4 minus 2xy. This is the descending power of second variable 3, 2, 1 and 1. 2y x. And here ascending power of the first variable. Here first variable is x and second variable is y. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Next video I will explain how to add algebraic expression and multiply and subtraction. Thank you so much.